Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off a Volkswagen Jetta. First, for models with a traditional key ignition, ensure your vehicle is in park. Then, simply rotate the key counterclockwise until it reaches the off position. You should feel a distinct click. Once the engine is off, you can remove the key from the ignition cylinder. Always confirm all dashboard lights are extinguished. For Jetta models equipped with a push-button start, the process is slightly different. First, make sure your vehicle is completely stopped and the transmission is securely in the park position. Then, simply press the engine start/stop button once. The engine should immediately shut down. Listen for the engine to cease running and confirm the dashboard lights indicate the vehicle is off. In rare emergency situations, you might need to perform an immediate engine shutdown. For push-button models, press and hold the start/stop button for approximately 3 seconds. This will force the engine to turn off. If you have a key ignition, turn the key fully counterclockwise while the vehicle is stopped. Remember, these methods are for emergencies only, like unintended acceleration, and should be used with caution. After successfully turning off your Jetta, always perform a few final checks. Ensure the parking brake is engaged, especially if you are on an incline. Double-check that all interior and exterior lights are off to prevent battery drain. Also, make sure all windows are fully closed. For more great tips and deals, including a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.